Hello student, welcome to the class. I am Yogita. Our subject is psychology and today we are going to learn about errors in thinking. We are thinking, we are able to give reasons, we are able to justify what we are telling. It's only because of information what we have stored in our brain. What perception we had, what previous information we have on the stuff that make us to give a reaction to the stimulus. Now, in case if you have a wrong information, a wrong perception, then definitely for the stimulus you will give a wrong reaction. Now, this can happen when you find errors in your thinking. So, today we'll discuss what are the factors which bring error in your thinking, like partialism, time error, time scale error, arrogancy, prejudice, and environment, insight, motivation, and other factors. So, such factors will bring disturbance in your thinking. Now, partialism. Here, individual, that means as an observer or a thinker, he will have a partiality towards the content what he has got. He will consider only one or two factor about the problem and he will come to the premature solution. So, this will bring problem in your thinking. So, this is called partialism. Next, time scale error. Now, you may have a problem from a long duration, but when a thinker comes, he will take the problem for a limited period. So, what happened in that short duration is considering that, and he is going to conclude or give a opinion. So, now that disturb your thinking because you are not considering from when the problem has started. So, that will disturb the thinking process. Then, arrogancy. Now it also called as village effect. What is that? Village Venus effect. That means here villagers may feel like a most beautiful girl in the world is from the most beautiful village. That will be their village. So it's that, just like that. So here thinker may think about the problem and he will give you one solution. And what he feel, what solution he has given, that is the best solution. You don't find anything else which is better than that. See, this will be a thinker's point of view. Now that will bring disturb in your thinking error because you are not opening yourself, you are not having a broad mind, so that you are not ready to listen what others are telling because you made a conclusion that what solution you are given is the best. Then prejudice. Now before you go to a problem, you already have certain ideas, preoccupied some thoughts, it is dancing in your mind and it will restrict you to think from a different viewpoint. So this prejudice will help you to bring error in your thinking. It will hold you so that you cannot open enough to gather the more information and think in detail. So that will disturb your thinking. Now, then you are having a initial judgment. Now here before you reach, what you will do, you think about the problem from a subjective way. Only from your point of view you are thinking. Actually as a thinker you are supposed to consider the problem objectively. Now when you think from your side, when you don't consider that the problem as objective, then you will come for that conclusion based on your knowledge, idea, information what you have. So this leads to initial judgment and this is one of the reason for errors in your thinking. Then the lack of motivation. When you are not motivated to go about the problem, think about the situation, or you're not interested to do anything, then definitely that interferes your thinking. Then the environment. Which environment you belongs to. Maybe if you're in a good environment you think good, if you're in a bad environment you think bad. So your environment will manipulate your thinking. So you may not say that maybe you live in a family where people are okay good. This is what your concept. So you believe that, now you have a strong belief that no one will take alcohol in my family. You personally didn't went to each and everyone to find out. See, this is what the error thinking what you have. Your family no one will drink, and your neighbor family maybe one fellow is drinking, is alcoholic. Then what is your judgment? My neighbor family, they all a drunker family. See, This is a judgment. This is an environment. When you feel it is good, it's good. When you think it is wrong, it is wrong. Okay, then any other factors which bring your errors in thinking? Other factors like your behavior problems, you're having some paranoid behavior, or you're having substance abuse, yeah, any kind of negative attitude towards the individual or any culture, custom, your religious factors. Now that will bring you to thinking error in your process of thinking. So this is all the factor which disturb you in your thinking. Yes, almost then one more thing is insight. See, individual must have a pure insight that will help them to think properly. It has to give some elimination of ideas, it help you to solve the problem. But when there is a pure, a proper insight is lacking, that will disturb your thinking process. So, dear student, I would like to summarize. We discussed about errors of thinking, and I am going to list out all the factors which brought errors in your thinking, like partialism, prejudice, timescale error, insight, and environment, lack of motivation, and arrogancy. I hope you understood. Please take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next class. Thank you all.